and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We are talking about some more specifics on the E2 Treaty Investor Visa. Now, in order to have the E2, one of the elements is to develop and direct the enterprise. So you must manage the business and not complete directly in the market as a skilled laborer. So, essentially, if you have a business, you can't, be the one in front of the cash register taking the money and giving the products. You have to direct it. Hands-on management that is incidental to developing the business is allowed, but not direct day-to-day operations. That's how you develop and direct. You have the policy making decisions. Now, you have to have a controlling interest in the business. Now, control could be with 50% and various documents and papers showing management control. But normally when I do an E2, I'm quite certain and positive that I make the E2 owner a 51% shareholder or more, so that there's no issue in regards to the control. So if you do only own 50%, then you have to show the 50% ownership. You have to show the operational control through the managerial position, or you can even try to show other means. But why do that if you just can work on an agreement to own 51%? Now, developing and directing applies to the principal investor, not to the employees. So if it is an E2 employee, they of course do not have to develop and direct. If it is the one who actually put up the money to invest, then we are talking about showing they can develop and are developing and directing the company. Now, in a small corporation, as I was stating, the stock ownership is generally the indicia of what percentage is owned. However, keep in mind that majority ownership of stock is not enough where the majority owner has given managerial control over to someone else in the enterprise. Then they can't develop and direct. So make sure that doesn't happen. Now, in a large corporation, of course, you would look to the corporate and stock structure in order to determine the actual percentage that is owned. Okay, more on the coming videos.